Have you ever spoken English and felt that something was missing? Maybe your grammar was right, your pronunciation was okay, but still, people noticed you weren't a native speaker. You sounded a little too slow, too formal, or maybe a bit unsure. And you thought, why do natives sound so natural, even with simple words? You're not alone. Millions of learners around the world study for years, memorize vocabulary, and pass exams. But when it's time to speak, their words sound mechanical. The problem isn't knowledge, it's rhythm, it's confidence. It's the way you connect emotion, tone, and small native phrases together. That's why in this lesson we'll fix that, step by step. Today you'll learn 10 phrases that instantly make you sound fluent and natural. These are not long, complicated expressions. They're the short, emotional, everyday sentences that native speakers use without thinking. Sentences like, "No worries." "Sounds good." "I got you." These little expressions carry rhythm, tone, and emotion, the secret ingredients of real fluency. In this video, I'll guide you slowly. You'll listen, repeat, and shadow with me, from slow to normal to natural rhythm. We'll practice not just pronunciation but feeling. How to smile when you speak, how to stress words naturally, and how to let English flow through you, not fight against it. By the end, you'll not only know English, you'll sound like you've lived it. You'll be able to speak naturally, confidently, and emotionally, just like a native. So, grab your headphones, relax, and let's train your ears and voice together. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the place where you train your brain to think in English and your voice to sound natural. Subscribe now. No stress, no pressure, just daily progress. Every day you shadow, every day you grow. Comment below. I'm ready to speak English naturally. Sounds good? When natives agree with someone, they don't always say okay or yes, that's fine. They say sounds good. It's short, friendly, and natural. It shows emotion, not just agreement. Real life example. Your friend says, "Let's meet at 5. You reply, "Sounds good." It feels smooth, relaxed, confident, not robotic like "that is fine." Practice slow, sounds good. Normal, sounds good. Natural, sounds good. Now add emotion. Smile when you say it. Mini challenge. Use this today when confirming plans, even in text. It builds natural rhythm and friendly tone. Comment. I practiced phrase 1 today. No worries. Instead of "it's okay" or "don't worry," natives say "no worries." It's warm and casual. It tells people you're relaxed and kind. Scenario: someone says, "Sorry I'm late." You answer, "No worries." That's what confident, calm speakers say. Practice slow. No worries. Normal. No worries. Natural. No worries. Use a light tone, almost like you're smiling. Emotion tip: keep your pitch rising slightly. It makes you sound friendly and open. Mini challenge. Say this phrase at least once today when someone apologizes. Comment. I practiced phrase 2 today. I got you. This phrase means I'll help you or I understand you. It's confident, modern, and full of trust. Scenario: your friend says, "Can you send me the notes later?" You say, "I got you." It means you'll handle it. Simple and powerful. Practice slow. I got you. Normal, I got you. Natural, I got you. Drop your pitch for confidence. Tip: avoid saying "I understand you" every time. That's too formal. Say "I got you" to sound fluent and modern. Mini challenge: text it to a friend today. Practice casual confidence. Comment: I practiced phrase 3 today. Phrase 4. That makes sense. This is how natives agree logically, not emotionally. When something seems reasonable, they say that makes sense. Scenario: a teacher explains why you should shadow daily. You reply, "Ah, that makes sense." It shows you're thinking, not just nodding. Practice slow. That makes sense. Normal. That makes sense. Natural. That makes sense. Emotion tip: say it with a small nod. Your tone should fall slightly at the end. Mini challenge: use it once in a conversation when someone explains something new. Comment: I practiced phrase 4 today. I'm on my way. This phrase is one of the most common in real life. It means you're going somewhere, not "I will go," but you're already moving. Scenario: your friend asks, "Where are you?" You answer, "I'm on my way." Practice slow. I am on my way. Normal: I'm on my way. Natural: I'm on my way. Pronunciation tip: the on my connects on may. Practice linking. Mini challenge: say it next time you leave home, even just as practice. Comment: I practiced phrase 5 today. You nailed it. This is a fun, emotional phrase. It means you did something perfectly. Scenario: your friend gives a great answer or sings well. You say, "Wow, you nailed it. It's full of energy. Better than good job." Practice slow. You nailed it. Normal. You natural. You nailed it. Smile big. Emotion tip: add excitement in your voice. Imagine cheering. Mini challenge: say it to yourself when you finish this lesson. I nailed it. Comment: I practiced phrase 6 today. It's up to you. This means you decide. Instead of saying you can choose, natives say, it's up to you. Scenario: your friend asks, pizza or burgers? You answer, it's up to you. Practice slow. It's up to you. Normal: it's up to you. Natural: it's up to you. Tip: keep it gentle, no pressure tone. It sounds polite, not lazy. Mini challenge: use this phrase in a decision today, even in your head. Comment: I practiced phrase 7 today. Let's give it a try. Fluent speakers don't say, "Let's attempt." That's too stiff. They say, "Let's give it a try." It's full of optimism and action. Scenario: someone suggests a new app, recipe, or study method. You say, "Sure, let's give it a try." Practice slow. Let's give it a try. Normal: let's give it a try. Natural: let's give it a try. Emotion tip: smile slightly and raise your pitch. It adds enthusiasm. Mini challenge: Say it before starting your next English session. Comment: I practiced phrase 8 today. I'm not sure. This is how natives express uncertainty politely. Instead of I don't know, they often say I'm not sure. It's softer, more thoughtful, and respectful. Scenario: someone asks, "Where's Sarah today?" You reply, I'm not sure. Practice slow. I am not sure. Normal: I'm not sure. Natural: I'm not sure. Emotion tip: tilt your head a little. Your tone should sound calm, not nervous. Mini challenge: next time you don't know something, use this phrase instead. Comment: I practiced phrase 9 today. Phrase 10: you know what I mean? This phrase connects people emotionally. It means, do you understand my feeling? Not just the words. Scenario: you tell a story. I studied all night, and I'm still tired. You know what I mean? It makes the listener feel included. Practice slow. You know what I mean. Normal: you know what I mean. Natural: you know what I mean. Pronunciation tip: link what I. Say it smoothly. Mini challenge: use it once today when telling a story, even in your thoughts. Comment: I practiced phrase 10 today. Conclusion: speak English naturally. You've just learned 10 short, powerful phrases that natives use every day. They're simple, but together they build real fluency. Every phrase you practice today adds emotion, rhythm, and confidence to your speech. When you say sounds good instead of that's fine, or no worries instead of it's okay, your English becomes alive, not from grammar, but from feeling. Remember, fluency isn't about speed. It's about connection. Connecting words, sounds, and emotions naturally. You're not just learning English. You're learning the music of English. Keep shadowing daily. Listen slowly, repeat with rhythm, and smile when you speak. Your voice will change. Your confidence will grow. You've already improved just by staying till the end. That means you have focus, patience, and passion. That's what real learners have. So keep going. One phrase, one practice, one day at a time. Subscribe to Slow English Lab, the place where you train your ears and voice to speak naturally. Comment below. I will think in English 24/7. Bonus practice idea: repeat your 5 favorite phrases out loud right now. Slow, normal, natural, emotional. You'll feel your English flow, and that's real fluency.